Assalamualaikum, everyone. Welcome to our case study. This is group one. The topic we are going to talk about is the influence of AI on learning behavior among higher education students. For this topic, we will have five parts. The first part is introduction. The second is advantage. Third is disadvantage. The fourth is what can we do deal with AI. The fifth is about the conclusion. Now, let's introduce my group member to make an introduction.
First, let me introduce our research topic. Artificial intelligence has rapidly emerged as transformative force across various sectors, and higher education is no exception. Especially after 2023, generative AI models have become widely popular. Students now use AI for various academic purposes. This has also raised concerns about academic dishonesty and over-reliance on AI. Therefore, this study explores the current status, advantage, disadvantage, and actions we need to take regarding AI in the higher education environment. To collect the data, we reviewed relevant literature and conducted a questionnaire survey among university students from different institutions. We then analyzed the data using thematic and statistical methods. Of course, due to the limited scope and sample size, our study also has limitations. The data analysis results show that university students commonly use the AI tools to improve learning efficiency, stimulate inspiration, and enhancing creativity. However, their usage also brings about academic misconduct, such as plagiarism and cheating in exams. This use of AI tools has dual nature. So, let's welcome my fellow group members to present the advantage and disadvantage of students using AI tools.
Thank you. Now, let's talk about the positive impacts on learning behavior. And my first topic is AI enhanced learning emphasis. It can save times compared to the manual library research because it's fast access to informations. And if we want to correct grammar, we can use Grammarly. If we want to summarize, we can use Clipboard. It will be called the support for academic writing, and it can help us manage time. My second topic is AI enables personalized educations. Number one, customized resource recommendations. And number two, adaptive learning systems. And number three, support for different learning styles. As we know, different students have their different styles, so students can choose how they learn best. That's my part. So I will introduce my friend to do the continued part. Thank you very much.
And toys can provide students with immediate feedback and personalized advice, help them find and correct mistakes faster in the learning process, and gradually establish a sense of control of what they have learned. This positive feedback medicine can effectively reduce frustration and make students more willing to try and explore so as to enhance self-confidence. With the help of AI technology, learning content can be presented through a multimedia, interactive question and answer, adaptive learning platform, and other forms, making the learning process more attractive. Personalized learning paths can also make students feel the relevance and value of content so as to be more focused and actively involved in learning and enhance the overall learning motivation and participation. Let's welcome my another group member to introduce the other part.
Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about negative impacts on learning behavior. So firstly, AI is becoming a big part of education. It gives fast answers and makes learning feel easier. But if we rely on it too much, we may stop thinking deeply. We might skip reading full text, stop asking questions, and just accept what AI gives us. Next one, AI should be a tool, not a replacement for our minds. Let's use it wisely so we can stay active, curious, and strong learners. Thank you. That's all. So let's welcome my another group member to introduce the another part.
Okay, let's turn to what can we do to deal with AI. Now, I welcome my friend to introduce the part of the student.
Next, I will discuss how AI technology is fundamentally changing the way college students learn. In the past, we used to remember knowledge, but now we are more focused on how to use AI to quickly apply and verify information. This change is not only an improvement in efficiency, but also a shift in cognitive approach. Students' learning behavior has also changed and learning has become more personalized. On a deeper level, these changes are not just an upgrade of tools, but a transformation of educational civilization. Overall, AI brings about a profound reconstruction of learning culture and behavior. College students must find their own learning methods with the support of technology in order to truly adapt to this rapidly changing era. Next, let's welcome my another group member to introduce another part.
Okay, allow me to introduce the parts. The first is clear AI standard. Schools should have the rules for use AI to prevent cheating and ensure fairness. The second is new role of teacher. Teachers should shift from important knowledge to teaching method and also learn to use AI. The third is update the course. Add new content such as AI will conflating student thinking and problem-solving abilities. The third is reinforce evaluation, emphasize process over results, replace traditional exam with project or presentation. That's important. Okay, now let's turn to the conclusion. For conclusion, we totally support AI. The reason is the AI truly has a great potential to help our improve our learning efficiency. The second, which I think is most important, that's AI is historical advancement, and we cannot ignore the process of the technology, which we need to adapt it just like now, we use computer to homework instead of the books. Yes. Then I will say, how can we use AI for the educator? Teaching how to think is more important than giving knowledge. Yeah. And for the student, we should use AI to give us idea instead of directly copy the result given by AI. Okay, that's most important. Okay, now thank you for your watching.